Hey there, Encappers. In today's episode, let's talk about FiberPlus pads. They're great for carpet scrubbing. Stick around to find out when you'd use the cream versus the FiberPlus Max. So, FiberPlus pads, FiberPlus Max, when would you use one versus the other? So we'll start by talking about the cream-colored FiberPlus pad. We brought these into the industry 20 plus years ago, and they have really proven to be effective for encapsulation cleaning particularly. Now, when you think about the old-fashioned shampoo brushes that were around in the 80s and the 70s and before that, they worked well. However, the bristles would tend to bend over sideways under the weight of the machine, and they would just slide over the surface of the carpet. By comparison, the FiberPlus pads, they grip the fiber. The pile of the carpet actually scrubs together. So we end up getting exceptionally good agitation. It's gentle, particularly with the cream-colored FiberPlus pad. And the pads wear really well. So we're getting great agitation with a long-lasting pad. And additionally, because the solution, when we shower feed it, goes through the pad, it actually spreads the solution onto the carpet, our Encap detergent, very evenly and smoothly, whereas the shampoo brush would tend to kind of leave a splotchy ring of solution as it would disperse onto the carpet. So we end up using less detergent when we work with FiberPlus pads compared to brushes. But getting down to the difference between the cream pad and the gray pad, the cream-colored pad is really perfect for any type of carpet. If you've got cut pile carpet or a softer carpet, highly recommend you work with a FiberPlus pad. It's gentle, it's not going to do anything that would damage the carpet. Now, the FiberPlus Max, let's talk about this pad. The FiberPlus Max is more aggressive. In fact, the FiberPlus Max, the gray-colored pad, is going to scrub about 20% faster than the cream pad. And so a lot of commercial carpet cleaners just use the FiberPlus Max because you're going to clean faster. Now, back in the day, we used to have a situation with the gray-colored pads wearing a little bit faster than the cream-colored pad. So you'd get a little bit higher speed on the cleaning, but you'd kind of taper off on the wear. They'd wear faster. However, the formulation has been updated along the way, and now we're finding that the gray pad is lasting comparably to the cream pad. In fact, some customers even think it might last just a touch longer. But really, they're neck to neck on the longevity of the pads. So if you're cleaning commercial glue-down carpet, you might want to give the FiberPlus Max a try because you're going to be able to clean the carpet that much faster. So when you're working with commercial loop carpet, FiberPlus Max is certainly going to impress you in its ability to scrub efficiently and quickly. So whether you're working with the cream-colored FiberPlus pad for every type of carpet or specifically for commercial loop carpet, the FiberPlus Max, either of them will help you max your end cap. That's what we're all about here at Excellent Supply. If you would, share your comments below, and I'll put the link to these products in the description below. Share your comments, give us a thumbs up, and subscribe to our channel. Until next time, thank you for watching Encap TV.